Okay, welcome back. Brett here with ClickMill.co. So in this video, let's discuss why data is so important. Data is, I don't know how to say it more than it's just really important when you have an organization, a business, a ministry, whatever it is that you're trying to do. The data is important because it's telling you how your users are behaving within a certain system. And so within a certain context, users will always do this. And when you know that, you then can begin to make decisions on how you should set up that context, on how you should manipulate or alter. And I don't mean manipulate in a negative way there, but just you can alter the system. So if my website is set up this way and users do this, well, what happens if I change this? Oh, they do that now. And so user behavior in the data acts as a guide for your decision-making process, and you can refine those decision-making processes over time until you get the output, the behavior that you want. And so the data is a feedback mechanism that tells you, how your decision-making process essentially is going in the organization you're with. So data is so important because it is the only thing that is really separating your ability to just, I don't know, be a psychic. And, in the last video, just lick our finger and say, I have a great idea. I know what will work. And I'm trying something I think is a good idea. Let's look at how 4,000 people responded to it. Oh, look, nobody wanted it. All right, how do we reassess here that data? What are the reasons the data might indicate that 4,000 people didn't want my great idea? And let's reassess. Let's make a theory and let's go through that and try something new. And we try it again and we see, oh, look, 17 people wanted it. Well, that's still not very good out of 4,000. So how do we continue to build on that? So data is so important because it provides you with a almost real-time view of reality and people outside of your business who are interested or not interested, and it allows you to make decisions to improve the performance of your organization. Without data, you're really not going to be able to run a successful organization online. And really, even prior to the internet, data is still critically important to businesses. It's just not as obvious, but we have financial data. We have shopper data. We have all of these things from, in-person ministries, businesses. Like we have all that too. It's just so much easier to gather online. So it has become such a, there's a lot more tools to sort of gather and manage it. So very important for making decisions. Thanks so much for being with me in this video. We're going to continue in the next one.